Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Vorsteine Mini. This puzzle was designed by Bill Cutler and made by Jean-Claude Constantin in Germany. Difficulty level of the Vorsteine Mini puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to take out the pieces and then reassemble them inside the tray. The first part, the removing of the parts, is quite easy, just drop them out and they are removed. But the second part is quite a challenge, since you already probably noticed that the pieces are not cube shaped. They have this slope on one side and this side is not even a square, this one either, this one. So it is very difficult to put them together in a correct way. If you start putting them inside, you will quickly find that this piece is a little bit taller than the frame, so it is not in a correct position. Like so, it is not good as well. It fits well this way, then you can put another one, then add another one, and when you have only one piece left, it is not enough space to fit it inside. It looks kind of weird, quite a simple looking puzzle, but so difficult to fit parts back inside. But there is a quite interesting trick how to solve it, and I will show it to you a little bit later. If you like the Vorsteine Mini puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of the puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the solution is following. Each part has a side where you can see that it is not a square, it doesn't have any slopes, but it is like the smallest area of the shape. Here, this one here, here we have this side and this side as well. So we have them like so. Now we have to rearrange them and put them in such way so that you will see there is like a same size gap between the parts, and when you put them close to each other, you will make this shape with a small square cut out in the middle. Now what you have to do is grab all 4 pieces, flip them upside down. They don't look like a correct shape now, since they kind of have this slope, but when you put them inside, they fit perfectly and no pieces are sticking out of the frame. And that is the solution of the Vorsteine Mini. The solution looks quite simple, but it is not so easy to find it. If you like the Vorsteine Mini puzzle, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.